Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Janitor AI. Open the Gemini Janitor AI dashboard and sign in with your Google account, then upload a sample dataset to start. Choose cleaning presets or create custom rules for duplicates, missing values, and outliers. Preview suggested changes before applying them to avoid mistakes. Export the cleaned output in CSV or JSON and integrate it into your pipeline for faster analysis and better results. Start by connecting your Google account and granting secure access to the dataset. Next, select the file you want to clean and pick a preset that matches your data type or build custom rules for specific fields. Use the preview to inspect proposed edits and run a small test cleanup to confirm results. Once satisfied, apply the cleanup to the full dataset and export to your preferred format for immediate use. Treat Gemini Janitor AI as a powerful assistant and start conservatively to avoid accidental data loss. Backup originals, document the cleaning rules you apply, and label exports clearly so teammates can trace changes. Iterate progressively. Run gentle presets, review outcomes, then escalate cleaning if needed. Integrate the tool into your regular preprocessing workflow and schedule periodic audits to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.